पड़ोसन ने सप्लाई में बाहर जा रही हूँ चिंगोली थोड़ी देर में। नहीं जा रही बाहर, जेठ जी बैठे हैं दरवाजे पे, मैं दुपट्टा भी लेके गई, ऐसे देख रही है आंखों के डेले।
Kitty, sit meow. That's her sit meow.
I am in the zone where you can't stop it. Clicking in your body, I feel strength from the bin. So move out the way. I am a right.
You're my honey bun sugar plum.
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.
I'm coming in hot.
अरे नाग बाबा सो रहे हो क्या? अरे कुछ तो इशारे दो भैया, कुछ तो बताओ। तेरी माँ का गाड़ फाड़ दी।
You want a tree? Yes. You want one? Yes. You want one? Yes. You want a tree? Yes. You want one? Yes. It's okay. It's okay, Daddy. Yeah.
Cheddar, get down. Get down.
Oh God, the bag's stuck on my head. Get it off! Get it off! Help me! I'm gonna be stuck like this forever! Help me get it off, you heartless wimp! Stop laughing, this isn't funny! I seriously can't breathe! Help me get diarrhea, you jerk!
You okay, baby?
One step at a time, Bartholomew. Stairs are very treacherous. Okay, Daryl. Where's Kenneth?
Wait up, guys, I'm coming!
You ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
झूठा ही सही पल
Can ask the flowers. I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds, the bill and coo birds, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you.
This cat had one mission: break into the food shelf like a ninja, with acrobatic skills and determination, ready to claim the snacks. But just when victory seemed close, gravity had other plans. And did you know that?
This adorable video shows a kitten trying to bond with one of her owners who doesn't happen to be a cat guy. The way this little kitten snuggles with him and he smiles is so precious. This is the kind of video that is wholesome through and through.
Whoa!